All right. Now, our commitment to you is, first of all, we're going to help you to identify the right people to train. We're going to provide you with comprehensive training through our state of the art ultrasound fellowship program and EMG residency program, all programs approved by their corresponding associations. We're going to have ongoing apprenticeship and coaching, mentorship programs for you. We will guide you and help you to achieve board certification. We will support you in the business aspect, how to build the services, how to market, how to operate the business. It is a very step-by-step process that we help you through ongoing support to become a very successful franchisee, establishing your own very advanced HUDS-approved diagnostic center. So how are you going to get there? How are you going to get there from the business point of view? Well, first of all, we provide you a step-by-step implementation guide. It is a roadmap. It is a guide that will help you in 10 different phases of business development to go, as I say, from zero to hero of diagnostic testing technologies. So by implementing step by step these specific steps, these specific phases, you're going to be able to achieve excellence. And of course, we are providing you with business manuals and coaching. You will have an operations manual that is going to help you set up your business operation, your diagnostic testing business operation, a marketing and PR manual, a billing and insurance manual. And all of these, they are not just passive learning manuals just for you to read. These are followed by actual courses and interactive processes that help you really master the topic and mostly apply these technologies. And in an annual basis, we will be helping you to develop together a strategic planning roadmap on the specific steps to be reaching year after year after year, the next step, advancing your organization to unfathomable levels of success. All right. I'll give you an example of our unique training process. Once you sign up, you're going to you'll start with an online module, but then you will participate to a live module, whether it is EMG or ultrasound or any course. There'll be a live module, and there will be a live mentorship. It's not just like a continuing education course where you are left alone to figure things out on your own. We are holding your hand in this entire process. We are right next to you with live mentorships and virtual mentorships to help you really achieve excellence in education. And the best of all is because you are part of our program, because you have a dedicated mentor, board certified mentor to you. You can start billing insurance companies within 2 weeks after you start in our program. So your new revenue is immediate. You don't have to wait months or years to start getting paid from insurance companies. You get paid in weeks from the moment you start working with us. As I said, we have annual symposiums and conferences in electromyography and MSK ultrasound, and we have our annual Leadership Academy with networking, mastermind groups, and strategic planning sessions. We're working together as a group to achieve higher and higher levels of excellence in our businesses.